recording. Hey everybody, Tequatl spawns about to be in 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Refreshing. 6 people, no champions as of yet. No, that was all tapped. It's fair enough now.
Plenty of dailies that can be done at Tequatl today.
Yep.
Stay out of its way.
You guys not realize it appears above your head?
Click here, get out, get out, get out. Oh my god, it didn't blow up yet? Worst terrorist ever.
Wow.
See, I can make those jokes.
Yeah. So far the champion has been 2 spawns, there's 6 people. 7 if we count that guy, but I think that guy's just joining us for just the killing.
You're allowed to make those kinds of jokes. I don't think I can make Canadian jokes then. Because I'm too nice and I have to keep up the stereotype.
Sorry.
No,
Sorry.
Do you guys know the average Canadian says sorry about 45,000 times a day?
Sorry.
Stay out of its way.
Still have no champion. Yeah, I like this one so far.
What if these Risen were just here on the beach for vacation? We're just killing them as soon as they get here. How do we know they're gonna hit
Why do
this?
they attack us?
We attack them.
Because we're in their spots. They mark them with towels and we move the towels and now they're pissed. They're just trying to get out the best tanning spot in Sparklife Fen, which I guess is here.
I mean, think about it. This would be a great place to snorkel. There's a shipwreck.
There's a giant
fish.
dragon trying to kill us right over there.
User joined your channel.
Hello.
Hello, Zeebs.
Hello.
Hello.
You're squeaky like your syrup. Squeaky as syrup, boys.
No, that's his normal voice.
Swap, there's still no champions. I like this.
3 plague carriers.
User joined your channel.
Yay! I'm glad I didn't dodge that because conditioning really just spiked up a lot.
Phase.
It's just a phase.
At some point, Zeeps, I want to post the videos. I mean, if you're unable to, then I'll do it.
You know, I got stuck
Bushmaster
under the
died.
launch pad and died.
I guess Bushmaster is dead master after all.
I got stuck under the launch pad.
I am in the
Whatever you say, dead master.
Seriously.
I mean, he's actually dead. We revived him. So we
Yeah, I
dead
was
master.
done.
What did you say, Zeeps?
I'm unable to post. I figured out my password. Actually, I just changed it. So
After the recording, I'll tell you guys something. Not that the recording, I mean, it's not bad. It's just doesn't really need to be on the record.
you got a precursor? Oh, well.
Now, we were playing League and he sort of sucked when it came to CS.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
That's what he wants to tell you.
I'm not the one with 54 minions killed at the 10-minute mark with an AFK.
I had more than
80
that.
carry.
I had more than that.
How much was it then?
And the AFK carry didn't matter because you didn't want to go attack the Leona anyway.
Yeah, you can still get kills.
Why didn't their jungler go down there a lot?
It was
He
a
was
Master
Master
Yi.
Yi. He was just farming for his barrel flare.
That, if I bounded him, Lucian was going to go to town on him.
I didn't like playing Lucian, but I did like when he's on my team.
He's so much fun.
He's good with Trinity Force.
Yeah, like last season.
User entered your channel.
Hello, user.
Hello!
Eee.
How is everybody?
Hey, good.
Delightful.
Good, now that you're here, I haven't seen you in a while.
Yeah, it's been a while. My husband's been on vacation, so I've been kind of busy.
Also, I'm currently recording, so anything you say is on video and will be on the internet.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
Not this time.
Where's it going to be used?
It's going to be
On the interwebs.
I'm recording Tequatl because I'm tired of people telling me that champions will spawn if there's more people as opposed to less people, and I'm just recording to prove that champion spawns are random. Currently, in this video, we have 6 people at the location, and we haven't had a champion spawn yet, which means that currently what everybody has said is not correct.
Yesterday, they tried to tell us 14 people was the trigger.
Oh my god, that was let's not bring arguments into the video. We'll talk about all that outside the video.
Okay.
But yeah, just that's why I'm recording, and I may start recording every now and then to do like guild stuff. We have a YouTube channel now as well, courtesy of Seeds.
Yay!
And I have my own YouTube channel where I put some guild stuff.
Awesome.
Yeah, he
Well,
thinks,
I probably won't be doing Tequatl because got here kind of late. But
we'll be doing it at 11 o'clock.
Well, I'll wait for you.
I can do it then. I'm on for the guild mission. Are we gonna have one after Tequatl?
Sure. We got one last night, but we can just do it again. It's no big deal. Everyone want to do that?
Bounty sounds great.
Okay, great then. Count me in.
It's either going to be a bone wall or he hit face. Okay, he hit face.
Were the stacks going up?
Can I smack people with this storm? Oh, where would your banner go? The banner just disappeared in my hands.
just like that, condition remover. Yay, Signet.
Yep.
It's hard to get condition remover when you don't get conditions.
Probably because everybody else removes them.
Like specifically running into poison, trying to. Not working.
You can remove conditions for me and put down a healing spell. Oh shit, I walked out of it.
Put down healing spring, he said. It'll be fun, he said.
I said it'd be fun. Spawns in 24 seconds.
It's awesome having daily events and event mentor on the same daily.
Yeah.
That used
Easy.
To be, that was a thing like a long time ago, and now it's a thing again. I like it.
It's random. They rotate the dailies nowadays. But
It's the first time we've had event mentor in a while.
yep. Yeah, it is. Oops, that was a terrible weld spot. God damn it, that's on video. If we... I'm keeping this video though. 6 people, not a single champion. This is good. I'm also going to stop my record, guys, now. It's a little early, but, you know, there's not going to be another spawn. So, here you go. 6 people at the location all the time. 0 champions spawned. You guys saw them all. So, yeah.